Okay, welcome to Dave's Cooking Show, and for you today, we got some sesame sliders. They're real easy to do. Here's the recipe to make the sesame ketchup you'll need. 2 cups of ketchup, 2 tablespoons of sesame oil, a tablespoon of soy sauce, and a teaspoon of rice vinegar. Place everything in a bowl and give it a good stir. As you can probably tell, I sped this up. So keep whisking till everything's well incorporated. And then get yourself a little container like this, those little hairdresser squeeze bottles they have at pretty much any department store. And then you want to fill this and place it in the fridge for at least an hour before you use it. Okie dokie, once again, got a griddle over medium-high heat. And we're placing our sliders down. These are little 2-ounce patties that I pattied out into these little patties that are about the size of a silver dollar. And if you don't know what that is, I can't think of a comparison. So ask your grandparents about that one, kids. All right, about 2 minutes aside, and we'll be back when it's time to assemble the burgers. Alrighty, through the magic of cooking show editing, these burgers here are done, or actually sliders. I know, same goddamn thing, but they had to have a different name because, I don't know, gods of patriarchy and grilling demand it. Anyway, burgers are done. One last important step, and that's to add the cheese. I took some slices of Colby Jack and basically broke them into 4 and laid two pieces across each slider, as you can see here. And then just want to add a little water to create some steam and melt that cheese. All right, we'll be back for assembly. Okie dokie. Nothing like drinking and making a cooking video. As you can see, I've toasted up the slider buns. Now just add your patties, a little bit of lettuce. I decided to keep this one fairly simple because I wanted that sesame ketchup to really kind of be the hero of the dish. Oh, and of course, if I didn't mention it, season your fucking patties. I season them with all-purpose, but at least go salt and pepper. Then go to the fridge, grab that little hairdresser bottle of sesame ketchup out. Give these a good squirting of it. And that's really it. Just top bun on. That's it. Sesame sliders. Done.